Welsh very well.
O, dwi'n hoffi siarad Cymraeg da iawn.
Hoffwn i siarad Cymraeg yn da iawn.
You need to say something in Welsh.
Ysio ti rhywbeth a
Mae
A
eisiau
llai
ti
Cymraeg?
ddweud rhywbeth yn Gymraeg.
But you speak it very well.
Ond ti'n siarad ti da iawn.
Ond ti'n siarad hi'n dda iawn.
This is all a bit too easy for you.
Absolute natural.
I'm not sure, but you need to stop.
Dwi ddim sure. Eisiau ti stopo?
Dwi ddim yn siŵr, ond mae eisiau ti stopo.
Da iawn.
You need to learn Welsh.
Mae eisiau ti dysgu
Mae
Cymraeg.
eisiau ti ddysgu Cymraeg.
Let's go on.
Give me a pause there. What I wanted to pick up on there was just something I'm really pleased with. That you've run into a couple of mismatches there, and you were not beating yourself up at all about them, actually. You really
Live and let
looked,
live.
you look very calm, you look very live and let live, and that's absolutely the gold standard there. It's really, really valuable. When you get to the stage where you just see the natural humour in a mismatch, or you just roll with it, then the process stops being particularly difficult. It stops feeling painful, and that you don't need to be hard on yourself. Then it's just like free learning. The more you do, the more Welsh you'll be able to speak. You notch up the miles, and then you'll get there.
All right.
So that's really, really encouraging for me to see that, and I know that you're going to win. You're going to be a Welsh speaker. So